You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, my dearly beloved calculus students, we are gathered here today to observe the union of two great operators of calculus, the derivative, also known as deriva, and the integral, also known as integrum. This union is an unlikely one, unless, of course, you believe that opposites attract. Deriva, you have patiently waited since we, the calculus class of 2018-2019, first met you this fall for a further connection and meaning in your mathematical life. Integrum, you arrived on the scene, this very calculus classroom, only recently. You came camouflaged in left-right sum clothing, only to herewith reveal your true intentions with regard to deriva. Related Rita, you are here as deriva's honor attendant representing the ever-changing dynamic problems you present for her most capable solutions. Vestramon, you are here as integrum's from birth pal. You are a finite total representing the potential for infiniteness in integrum. Related Rita and Vestramon, do you stand here today as testimony of the need for this connection and timelessness of the theorem such a union will birth? At this point in the ceremony, I must ask the guests if there is any reason why these two...
Do you truly want to infinitely sum for the rest of your life?
If no further objections, we shall proceed. Deriva, today you are promising to live inside Integrum's symbolic embrace and let him anti-change you, to take to your original function. You are promising to approach him with the understanding that the two of you are the yin and yang of calculus. Indefinitely speaking, you will produce a family of functions. Indefinitely speaking, y'all will yield a numerically rewarding result. Integrum, you are promising to symbolically embrace her and to anti-change deriva to her original function. You are promising to approach her with the understanding that the two of you are the peanut butter and jelly of calculus. You will produce a family of functions indefinitely. Indefinitely speaking, y'all will of course yield a numerically pleasing result. Deriva, I believe you had some words prepared.
I promise to always be continuous. I promise to optimize all situations we encounter. I promise to maximize joy and minimize turmoil. I will stand strong in the face of any test we encounter, be it the first or second. I promise to be ever present for the instantaneous changes of life, staying strong at any rate.
Integrum, I believe you had some words also.
I promise to provide an accumulation of good things as we go from A to B along life's way. I will love you infinitely as the number of rectangles under the curve. I promise that our times to discord will be as infinitesimally small as my rectangle's widths. In summation, I promise to find area meeting at the middle rather than functioning thinking I'm always right.
Yes, you have been privileged to witness the beginning of a beautiful mathematical bond. I now ask that the sum total of you repeat after me the irrefutable theorem this union represents. It is on your programs. The fundamental theorem of calculus.
The fundamental theorem of calculus.
Supposing f is continuous.
Supposing f is continuous.
On a closed interval from a to b.
On a closed interval from a to b.
The definite integral from a to b.
The definite integral from a to b.
Of f of x dx.
Of f of x dx.
Is the antiderivative of f.
Is the antiderivative of f.
Evaluated at b less.
Evaluated at b less.
The antiderivative of f.
The antiderivative of f.
Evaluated at a.
Evaluated at a.
Secondly, the derivative of the definite integral
The derivative of the definite integral
from a to x
from a to x
of the function f of t dt
of the function f of t dt
is f of x.
is f of x.
We now must open the rings. If you will assist in opening the rings. These rings are a symbol of the union of that which is differentiable being married to that which is integral via the fundamental theorem of calculus.
You got it, girl.
Deriva, do you agree that the derivative of the definite integral from a to x of the function f of t dt is f of x?
I do.
Integrum, do you agree that the definite integral from a to b of f of x dx is the antiderivative of f evaluated at b less than the antiderivative of f evaluated at a?
I sure do.
And with this statement of these vows and the theorem, I now declare that not only are Deriva and Integrum mathematically wed, but that all represented here are now joined in the sacred bond of the fundamental theorem of calculus. You may all hug each other.
He's trying to compute what's going on.